Hi, this is Mike, and we're looking at Bitcoin. Now, this video is just going to be about the small degree at the highs, talking about what's going on here, right? Yes, I did short this. The stop is the red line, the thick red line up the top, right? Just a close look now from 1 hour chart. I can see two hanging mans, right? And I see a 1-2-1-2 pattern, right? Now, at such a small degree, how could I tell that this is going to go down? I'll explain that. Right? Also, um, why is it going sideways? Well, it's forming a top, right? Is it going to suddenly shoot up? Well, if you don't know the waves, you would assume that, right? Because it makes sense. It's been going something that is moving in one direction tends to keep moving in one direction, not with the waves. Okay, that's where it's different. Okay, still can't see that clearly what's going on, even though I've labeled everything perfect. Still looks a bit fuzzy, right? 5 minute. Okay, 5 minute can start to see the waves. 1 minute, okay, you can see the waves perfectly, right? We have a 1, 2, right? Expanded A wave, B, C, D pattern, CDE pattern, right? We had a wave 1. That means we can't go above this line. There's already support there, resistance, sorry. We had a 1, we have A, B, C, right? D, and now this is the final move up E, right? We also have a 500 period and 1000 period moving average. Okay, we dipped into that with wave 1 of wave 3, right? And now we're about to dip into wave 3, which is going to end up crossing over the 500 and the 1000. And probably very soon, when this wave E ends, it's going to dip down and break into the 1000 period moving average. On the 1 minute chart, yeah, I know it's a small degree, but so what? Waves are fractal. This stuff happens at all degrees of trend, right? So basically we need to break this low here, and once we do, right, if I know the wave so well like I claim to, right, then breaking this low here will confirm wave 3 price action, right? That's why I'm making the video now, right? Because I love the waves, I love how they work, and I love how they repeat all the time, exactly the same. This is what I try to explain to people in my videos. Is it always happens constantly. It's beautiful, right? It's nature, whatever you want to call it, right? So this wave E forming nicely there, um, creating a nice little, wedge type pattern, I suppose. If you want to look at it like that, you can do whatever you want. But what is this going to mean then if it's going to move down? Well, think about it in terms of, you know, candles and reversals, right? If just say, for example, you got the 1 hour chart. Sorry, let me get rid of that. So you've got a pattern like this, and you've got a move like that, right? A move that came all the way from the end of wave 4, which is right there, exactly right there, right? And you're going to do the same thing all over again, right? You're going to go all the way back down, right? And it's going to look like a reversal. That's what's going to happen. That's my opinion. We're going to see, aren't we? So whatever you made on the way up, you can make it on the way down, especially during a reversal. It's beautiful, isn't it? So what does that mean on a daily perspective? Well, it just means that you're going to have probably one big giant dark cloud cover candle pattern on the daily, right? And you know what dark cloud cover patterns mean? Well, it's a reversal. It's a reversal pattern, right? So I believe within the next 24 hours, we're going to create either a dark cloud cover or even better, a bearish engulfing candle, right? So, that's how the candles side of things look. What else can I give you that's not wave related, right? If you take the RSI, I mean that clearly is, divergence right there, right? Pretty clear divergence, you know. Price went up, right? Price made a new high or whatever. RSI didn't, right? So that's pretty cool. I've already explained the waves to you in the previous video. I'll link it below. Went into detail, but yeah, like that's the deal. That's what I see here, right? Looks like we've hit something there. Potential end of wave E now. Just got to break that level 24449 and then see, will this go down in wave 3? Okay. Well, I guess we'll find out shortly. Thanks for watching.